Jai Gurudev, dear students. Children, let's start revision of annual exams. Okay, you know, in the annual exams 20 marks MCQ will come, okay, and 20 marks question answers will be coming in your final test. So first let's start revising our MCQs, means multiple choice questions. So, here are some of them I have taken out from all the chapters. So, let's see. First is, tractors are used in this farming, means which kind of farming we use tractors? Modern farming, traditional farming, village farming, or all the above. So, four options are there. You know, children, we have learnt in the chapter food we eat that tractors are used in the modern farming. Olden time people use animals to do farming work. Okay, so this is the correct option. Now second is, on which day World's Farmer Day is celebrated? Means which day is celebrated as World's Farmer Day? Here so many different kind of options can come, and right option, you know, it is 23rd December. So right answer you should know, options can be anyone. So this is second one, and third is, auctions were used in this farming. Auctions means these are the animals, and animals were used in which kind of farming? Traditional farming. Okay, here options are given: modern farming, traditional farming, village farming, and all the above, means just similar this kind of question here, this also there, and its right option is traditional farming. Means in olden times, in our traditional farming, people used various kind of animals, and oxens were also one of them. And next is, in this farming, farmers grow crops for their family. So their options are, you can see here, options are traditional farming, modern farming, subsistence farming, and fourth is none of these. So children, in that chapter we have studied that in case of subsistence farming, farmers grow crops for their family only, means to fulfill their family need they grow crops. So right option is subsistence farming. And here tick is marked here, but it is better if you mark tick this side. Okay, so this is the right way. And fifth is, which of the following was the main source of irrigation in olden times? Irrigation, you know children, what is meant by irrigation? Irrigation is a artificially, when farmers give water to their crop field, that is called irrigation. So in olden times people generally depend on rains. Okay, they were not having any other kind of irrigation sources, just like now. Now farmers can use various ways to irrigate their fields, but in the olden times they only depend on rains. Okay, so rain is a right option, and other rivers, lakes and ponds and other any option will come, that is not correct. So correct option is rain. So next question is, which of the following factors are responsible for migration of people? Means this question we have taken from the chapter in which we have studied about the migration and factor affecting about for migration and different type of migration. This is that chapter, and here they have asked that which factor are responsible for migration of people. So here they have written push, pull, push and pull, means only push, only pull, push and pull, or none of these. So you know both push and pull are there for migration of people. So this C option is correct option, push and pull factors. Okay. How many taste buds are present on our tongue? You know children, our tongue has different type of taste buds. Okay, so we have studied in this chapter our taste buds, and that means chapter of uh, our taste buds. In that we have studied that our tongue has taste buds which can detect 4 different kind of tastes. Okay, so here option are given 2, 3, 4 and 5. So any number if given other than 4, that is not correct, only 4 is correct number, because 4 type of tastes are there, you know. These are sweet, salty, sour and bitter. So these kind of taste buds are present on our tongue. And next one is, which of the following carry message to our brain? Means from these 4 type of things, which one carry message from the sensory cells to our brain? So sense organ cannot send message to the brain. Sense cells, receptor cells, none of these. You know children, receptor cells are the cells which can send message, receive message from the sense organs and send to our brain. Means which kind of taste is detected by our tongue, which kind of smell we have smelt, and which kind of things we have seen. These all the senses carried by these receptor cells, and they send message to our brain. Okay, then our brain tell us that what kind of sense is detected by our sense organs. So right option is C, receptor cells. Now next one is, the following animals can taste with its fins and tails. So this is also from the same chapter we have taken, that which animal can taste with its fin and tails. Here options are frog, penguin, fish, tortoise. So fish is the right option. In this chapter we have studied that fish is an animal which can taste with its fins and tail. You know children, when fins word is written, from this word you can understand that fins are present in fish. Okay, and fins and tails it uses to taste the different kind of food, or it helps the fish to taste. And next one is, this sense organ helps us to smell. You know children, which sense organ help us to smell? Nose. It is very easy kind of question. In the junior classes also you have studied in every class about sense organs. Okay, so here options are many. If question will come that which sense organ help us to taste, then tongue is the right option. Okay, and if here comes question will arise that which sense organ help us to see, then eyes are the right option. So here we are talking about smell. So we can smell anything with our nose. So nose is a sense organ. Okay, right option is nose here. After this, next is, in which part of India people use wheat mostly? Means in which part of our India people use wheat. Here north, south, east, west, four main directions are there. So four main parts of our regions of our country here they have written, and out of these four, north region people means people of northern region, they generally use wheat in their daily meal. They used to have chapatis, okay, and variety of preparations they make from wheat. So they prefer to use wheat. The north is a right option. This is children, this is R, okay, North, you know the spelling of north. And next is, in how many categories migration is divided into? Here it is not divide, it is divided. So in how many categories migration is divided into? 3, 4, 1 or 2. So you know children, in this migration chapter we have studied that migration is categorized into two main categories, that is immigration and immigration. Okay, so here options are 3, 4, 1, 2. So 2 are the categories of migration. And 13 is, which of the following is not a source of irrigation? Means options are here that which of the following is not a source of irrigation, means uh, which is not used by the farmers, which kind of water is not used by the farmers for their to provide their field. So river water also they are using, canals also they used to uh, irrigate their fields, oceans and sprinklers. Sprinklers also they use for irrigation, but oceans they can't use to irrigate their field because oceans have um salty water. Okay, so salty water is not useful for the crop plants. So ocean is a right option. Only ocean water we can't use for irrigation, so it is not a source of irrigation. And 14 is, which of the following disease can be caused by stagnant water? Stagnant water means रुका हुआ पानी. Okay, the just like pond or in anywhere after rain falls, so many in so many ditches water can be stagnant. So which kind of different diseases can be caused because of this stagnant water? So here they have written options: cancer, COVID-19, cholera, none of these. So from all these three diseases, only cholera is a right option. If in place of cholera, if jaundice or typhoid can also be written, that is also correct option, because these kind of diseases can be caused because of stagnant water. In stagnant water, flies and mosquitoes, they can grow very easily and they spread these kind of diseases. Okay. So children, this is about your MCQs, means one more is there, sorry. So here also you can see, what is the roughly percentage of water in human body? Means in our body, what is the percentage of water, roughly percentage of water? 50%, 80%, 70% or 100%? So right option is 70%. Means our body has 70% of water only, okay, in the form of blood, or in our cells also some amount of water is filled. So 70% water is present in our body, human body. Okay. So children, here these are the some sample multiple choice questions which I have just given to you just now. These all MCQs, you should revise them, and first you write all these in your EVS notebook. Okay. Those have written, they can learn, but many of the students who are not coming in the school, they have not written at all, and you write down, and after writing you learn them also. Okay. And in the same way, many others also we will revise in the coming days in the school. Okay. So try to come in school so that you can prepare for your final exams. So children, this is all about the MCQs. So let's revise some of the question answers also. I am giving some questions to you which you learn them and write them in your EVS notebook. Okay. For today, I am giving you these 6 questions. After these learning these six questions, then I will give you more. Okay. So first question is, what do you understand by pesticides and horticulture? Children, in the chapter food we eat, this question I have taken from that chapter. In this chapter we have studied about many definitions. You know that farmers, floriculture, pesticides, horticulture. So from them I have taken out these two. Okay. Means this question, and in this question only two definitions I have given to you, but don't stick to these two only. You have to learn farmers also, definition of farmers, floriculture, and whatever other given, these all. Okay. So question can come in this way also, or we can ask you like, define the following terms: pesticides or horticulture. Anyway question can be arise, you should know the answer, then you can write down. And second question is, find out the foods that are actually grains you eat daily. Here in this question you should write the name of those foods in which only grains you are using daily. Okay. So these answers we have written already in our chapters. You should take out and learn. Okay. These both the questions, or approximately these first four questions I have taken out from your chapter food we eat. Okay. So third is, what is subsistence farming? So, you know children, we have studied in the chapter food we eat that what is subsistence farming. Subsistence farming is that kind of farming in which people, or we can say farmers, grow crops or food crops for their family only. And fourth question is, what are activities done by farmers on their lands? Means what they are doing on their land. They plow the field, they prepare field for this crop production, then after that they sowing the seed, they are sowing the seed, and after sowing the seed they irrigate them. So irrigation is also there. So after irrigation, uh, spraying pesticides, or so many kind of activities are there which I have given you in a form of some points. That those all the points you write in this answer. And fifth question is, fifth and sixth question I have taken out from next chapter, that taste buds. How do fish taste? Just now I have given you revision of MCQs. In that we have seen that fish can taste with its fins and tail. So this is the answer of that question, but little bit in elaborated way you can write down. Take help of your answers which is written in your copy. How many types of taste are detected by our tongue? So children, you know there are total 4 kind of tastes which are detected by our tongue. You should write the name of them also. Like first is salty, second is sweet, third is sour, and fourth is bitter. Okay, so these are the 6 questions for today. This much I think enough. You write down in your copy, EVS copy, and first you revise all these, learn them, and write in your copy also. Okay children, so by the time you learn them, and next revision I will give you in the next class. Now Jai Gurudev to all of you.